So one of the things I was able to do was to get with an inspector to do an annual inspection on my car and create a logbook ahead of this training and race session. And it was very helpful that I was with someone that people would recognize as a very tough inspector. And that's exactly who I need to look over my car. This is my first time doing it. And he would ensure that my car was ready for a race. And thank God I had someone like that who could tell me what was wrong with it, and I was able to get things ready for the school session that weekend. Oh, the hole's right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right there. That's where you told me to put it. So yeah, 2-inch headers back to 3-inch cats to 3-inch muffler.
Pretty nice set of headers. Tight fit.
Oh, they took a while to get in.
Okay. Nice.
I didn't do that job. That was somebody else. Yeah, that was somebody else. They had to disconnect the steering assembly in order to get it in on this side.
Realign it. Yep.
Yeah, the shop did several things for me, but I did most of the stuff on the car, but things like that, there's just no way.
Yeah. Really, I'm just trying to put something flat on something round. I can't even tell if it made any impression. I can't see it.
Here. This is probably lighter.
Yeah, there it is. All right.
Oh, 41.
Now it's 1566, is that correct? Yep, I need another one.
Just a second there. Hold on. Okay, when you paint this, put a piece of tape over that so it's bare.
Yeah.
Leave it bare.
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, the paint fills the damn thing in.
Oh, that makes sense.